All right, so I got myself a little backpack for EDC, my first rave that I'm going to. A little hydration pack, I guess, to keep myself hydrated during the Las Vegas weather. I already live in Vegas, but here we do need to have some water and to be able to store a whole bunch of stuff. So here's the little unboxing. I got a couple cool things. We got a little white box here. Let's see what's inside. So here's my little insert. So apparently this lights up in the back. So as you can see, looks pretty cool. I just need a little battery pack. I think I have one in one of my little bedrooms in the back to power this. I didn't order one through this company, the Lunchbox. Probably get one online for cheap. I mean, I'll take a look. Power adapter, I guess. All right. The EDC skin. This is I'm definitely gonna use this skin. But this is cool to have. Got a little discount with it for getting that skin. And let's see here, other little stuff. This little ropey thing, supposed to light up the backpack, but I already got this, so I'm gonna keep this. I'll light something up. It's gonna be all colorful. Ooh, shit. So apparently I bought two. That's craziness. Okay, maybe I messed up on something. Whatever. As long as it's free. What's the best things in life? Free. So okay. Order form, I don't care about that. And here comes the nitty gritty right here. Lunchbox. Alright. So this one, I guess it's anti-theft. Yada yada yada. Backpack action. Kind of if you see me in person, I'm not a small person, so this strap is definitely going to need to come down. It's probably going to take me a little bit to adjust it to fit myself, because I am not small whatsoever. But we got, let's see here, all the little spots. Unhook some stuff. So a little storage here that opens. Alright, so we got little charging pathways, light show battery pocket, skin compartment, whistle on the strap. I don't know where the whistle is. It must be somewhere. I know that's for the, looks like that's for the water. It's not a whistle, but that's funny. Anti-theft, fast refill, protective foam pockets, anti-zip. Yeah, I got these little clips where the zipper comes up. And then you kind of clip it onto here. If I could just do it real fast. And then sticks. I believe this little section right here comes off, and that's where I replace it with one of the skins, which is cool. Pockets on the side. Right here, that's great. This opens up. So this, I guess, you know, I'll have like a little long sleeve. I like to wear tank tops anyways. But it could fit something in, you know, if you want to bring some hot sauce in there as well. So, all fills up, nice and zipped up. And this is against your back, so no one can really get into it. Your tube for your water. I know there's a spot somewhere, I guess maybe that's for your phone. Other than that, yeah, this looks cool. Could definitely, I'll pull the straps down a little bit to make sure that I can fit it. We'll put it onto my back. Alright, so we got the backpack. Everything is cool, nice and snug. Water spigot right here. Some stuff for my glasses. Everything seems to be nice and snug. Got a little whistle too. So that's cool. But of course, that's the cool spot, but of course everyone want to see kind of the back, what the back looks like. But yeah, I'm gonna have this thing lit up. I think you're just probably gonna see how long the battery lasts up in there, so I might have like 2 battery packs for the festivities. But other than that, I am pretty happy with my purchase. Yep.